Hello, welcome back to IONCG Max. Today we are going to solve one Max Olympiad problem. So the question is given x plus 3x minus y by over x square plus y square equal to 3, y minus x plus 3y by x over x square plus y square equal to 0. You have to solve and find xy values. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. So here, let solve this problem together. So here, different models are there. You are solving in one model. Let x is equal to my. Okay, from 2, from equation 2, y is equal to x plus 3y by x square plus y square. So here y is equal to, in the place of x we are writing my plus 3y by m square y square plus y square. So here y is not equal to 0. So then y value will be, taking y common, m plus 3 by y into m square y plus y. So y get cancelled. Now y square value. Y square is equal to m plus 3 by m square plus 1. Here taking y common and sending that side out. Taking y common here, the remaining part, and sending that side, we are getting y square. Similarly, x square will be m cube plus 3m square by m square plus 1. Okay, so here from this from 1 3x minus y by x square plus y square is equal to 3 minus x. So substitute here x value 3my minus y by m square y square plus y square is equal to 3 minus my. So here take y common, 3m minus 1 into, here also y common, m square y min plus y is equal to 3 minus my. Y get cancelled. 3m minus 1 by m square y plus y is equal to 3 minus my. So 3m minus 1 by m square y plus y is equal to 3 minus m into, here y value, m plus 3 by m square y plus ym from above. So here you'll get 3m minus 1 is equal to 3m square y plus 3y minus of m square plus 3m. So the denominator will get cancelled. So if you solve this, you'll get m square plus 6m minus 1 is equal to y into 3m square plus 3. So therefore y value is m square plus 6m minus 1 by 3m square plus 3. Now y square value m square plus 6m minus 1 by y square you are finding 3m square plus 3 whole square is equal to m plus 3 by m square plus 1. This is the y square value. Now here if you cross multiply m square plus 6m minus 1 whole square by 9 into m square plus 1 whole square is equal to m plus 3 into m square plus 1. So if you cross multiply now, here m square, these two get cancelled. M square plus 6m minus 1 whole square is equal to 9 into m square plus 1 into m plus 3. So here m value minus 1, m value 2, m value will be minus 2 plus 3i, m value will be minus 2 minus 3i. So we'll get 4 values of m. 4 values of m. Now we'll solve this sum. Case 1, m is equal to minus 1, that implies x equal to minus y. Y will be minus y plus 3y by 2y square, that implies y equal to 1 by y, that implies y equal to plus or minus 1 and x equal to minus plus 1. If you take case 2, m is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2y. Y is equal to 2y plus 3y, substituting 4y square plus y square, that is 1 by y. So that implies y is equal to plus or minus 1, x equal to plus or minus 2. So the values of x and y, we are getting 4 sets. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.